Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Here, I'll walk you through how to write an application letter for a job location transfer. This formal letter explains why you are requesting the transfer, outlining your reasons for the move. To start, you'll need to include your personal details at the top of the letter. This includes your full name, address, city, state, zip code, email, and phone number, followed by the current date. Next, you'll address the recipient of your letter, providing their name, position, and the company's details, including its name and address. Make sure to include a clear subject line, such as request for job location transfer, so the purpose of your letter is immediately apparent. In the salutation, begin with Dear recipient's name, ensuring you address the person formally and respectfully. After that, write, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request a transfer from my current position at current location to requested location due to brief reason, e.g., personal circumstances, family relocation, or professional growth. Over the past X years months, I have greatly valued my experience at company name and have consistently strived to contribute to the team's success. I believe that relocating to requested location will allow me to maintain my productivity and continue adding value to the company, while also addressing my personal needs. I kindly request your consideration of this transfer and would be grateful for any guidance on the necessary procedures. I am more than willing to discuss this further at your convenience. Thank you for your time and support. I look forward to your positive response. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample application letter for a job location transfer. You'll notice how it clearly presents your reasons for requesting the transfer, addressing any personal or professional factors that support your decision. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and compelling application that increases your chances of approval. This letter helps your manager or HR department understand your request and the reasoning behind it. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective workplace applications.